It's not unheard of for us to be teetering on the edge of triple-digit heat index values in late May. That's exactly where we'll be, and by this weekend, I have a hunch we will see heat advisories put into place and temperatures may be close to 100. All the while, we can't rule out some sneaky, slim storm chances. There's going to be a cap, a lid on the atmosphere. That's a warm layer aloft. But if any storms can weaken that cap, erode the cap, overcome the cap, then they could easily turn strong to severe. 84 degrees outside right now, made it to a high of 94, tying the second hottest so far this year. Back on Saturday, we hit 95. That currently holds the hottest claim. 78 right now in Mason, it's 82 Marble Falls. Still feels like 87 in Austin, and it's 80 with a heat index of 87 out in LaGrange. To our west, there's a dry line, but today the cap held across all of the Lone Star State. All the severe thunderstorms stretching from Colorado all the way through places like Iowa and Minnesota. Now, here's the lay of the land. We've got a big ridge of high pressure in Mexico. This is the heat dome that's going to keep the heat in place, mid to upper 90s all week. Upper level low, this thing's going to swing little disturbances our way. And with each of those disturbances, we might see a couple storms if the cap breaks. Now tomorrow, I think the cap is going to be so strong, it is unlikely we see storms. Even though northwest sections of the hill country are under a level 1 risk, I'm going to downplay that 10% or less. But we'll go with a 20% chance even in Austin late Wednesday night. And then Thursday, right now, the Storm Prediction Center has a 15% risk. Waco points north. I think we'll be in at least a level 1 of 5 severe thunderstorm threat before all is said and done. That would be how many Thursdays in a row? At least 3, right? With severe thunderstorm potential. So tomorrow morning and tomorrow midday, we should be quiet with clouds giving way to sunshine. 95 degrees your afternoon high temperature. And if any storms fire, they would be generally through the northwest hill country if the cap breaks. Then as we look ahead to Wednesday, we'll do the same thing. But this time, Wednesday is looking a little bit more likely for us to maybe see some storms roll through. So here's a look at 2:30 in the morning Thursday, and those move through. And we might see this repeat again overnight Thursday into early Friday, and maybe Friday into early Saturday. So most of the daytime hours are dry. And then comes the heat. Saturday, Sunday, Memorial Day, Monday, close to 100. Heat index values 104 to 109. We'll be back.